How to assemble the outboard motor water pump. Remove water pump. Use a 10 mm wrench to unscrew the water pump housing screws. Remove screws. Use a wrench or screwdriver to pry open the water pump housing. Place the water pump impeller pin properly. Remove the water pump impeller. Remove the water pump housing paper gasket and inner shell. Install water pump. Place the water pump impeller pin on the flat surface of the drive shaft. Insert the water pump impeller through the head of the drive shaft. The water pump impeller slot must be aligned with the water pump impeller pin. You can turn the water pump impeller to check whether it is installed in place. Install the water pipe. Install the water pipe bowl and the water pump shell according to the hole positions. Press to check whether it is installed in place. Install the water pump paper gasket onto the water pump housing. Coat the water pump bowl with a little engine oil. Lubricate the inside of the water pump inner shell. Apply evenly. Thread it through the drive shaft. The direction of the water bend and the hole position should be aligned. Stand the machine upright. Turn the drive shaft or propeller clockwise. At the same time, press the water pump housing and align the water elbow with the hole. Press and turn at the same time, and the water pump will come down. It will be fine if there are no gaps in the entire water pump. First, secure the screws. Use a 10 mm wrench to tighten the set screws. Use a quick wrench here. Don't tighten completely. If the position is not enough, use an ordinary wrench to slowly tighten it. Tighten the screws in order, and finally tighten the screws diagonally. After the screws are tightened, you can install it on the machine and use it.